Good morning, Rax. Today is Monday, June 8th, and today is Best Friends Day. And it's a couple days after I got a haircut. What do you think? A little bit better, right? Counselors Connect, this is the final week that it has been put together, and the key word of the week is respect. And self-respect requires respecting others. Something to work on for the week. Hey, graduation is definitely going to be happening in a live format for the seniors, and I know some other people want to get in on it, but more info is coming soon on how many people can make it, where it'll be, and all that fun stuff. As I mentioned last week, don't forget to sign up for a time to come in and pick up stuff from school before the end of June. Sign up this week. Martina sent out the information last week. Search his name in your email. No birthdays at Rax that I'm aware of today, so Kanye West, happy birthday. Now that we got that out of the way, final full week of action here for the school year, so let's make it a good one. Have a great day, Rax.